Hammer, You Can't Touch This is my guilty pleasure #1 favourite song. I've liked that song since I was about 10. I had his album that I walked on tape because I listened to it so much. Hi everyone, my name's Jo and I live in the United Kingdom in the southwest, in between a place called Bristol and Bath, and I am a buyer by trade. So I currently buy product for a company which is like a museum centre for all things Jane Austen related. I have got alopecia, alopecia universalis, which basically means I don't have a hair on my body. When I started my hair loss journey, I think I wish I knew that I wasn't alone. I found out quite quickly, there's such a strong community, particularly on Instagram. I found out quite quickly that I wasn't alone, but it's very daunting, and it's one of the things that goes through your mind because you do feel like it's only happening to you and not everybody else around you. I also, I wish I knew the fun that I would have with wig wearing, because it was quite a daunting concept, and actually it's so much fun. I was so honoured to be asked to be an education ambassador for Jon Renau. They're such a amazing American brand, and I was just a little bald Brit girl. And it's been such a wonderful experience, and so helpful and educational for me, and then obviously being able to share that with followers has just been amazing. My absolute favourite band is Red Hot Chili Peppers, and I would listen to anything from them over and over and over again just because they're just a great band. And MC Hammer, like I said, so it is an eclectic. I'm pretty easygoing, not so much of a fan of techno. Although I used to be a raver back in the day, not so much now.